Now that I have your undivided attention, hello everyone. My name is Garvit Gupta and I be representing the Team 7 comprising of Brian, Divya, Patient and myself. And today we're going to be looking into Netflix. This is the agenda that I'll be covering in today's video. So giving a brief introduction and background about Netflix, Netflix started off by selling DVDs and has been on top of the subscriber based video on demand market for a very long time. But in the recent years, it has been facing decline in revenue growth and has been facing major competition from its competitors. In order to turn things around, they recently announced their entry into the gaming industry. Our challenge statement is based on target market selection for Netflix's gaming offerings to potentially build a customer base and increase revenue growth. Coming to the market situation analysis, we have done an in-depth analysis of the revenue streams and segment market of shares of Netflix streaming service and the mobile gaming industry. This represents a few tables of how Netflix's subscriber growth has been reducing in the recent time. The other table also shows how Netflix has been losing share of the SVOD market to its competitors. This is another representation of how Netflix's current SVOD is segmented and their market shares. Various segmentation criteria were also considered during the analysis. These include geographics, demographics, behaviorism, and psychographics of the current mobile gaming market. From the SWOT analysis, we figured out that the brand reputation, huge existing customer base, and their IP are Netflix's biggest strengths. The opportunity lies in gaming market being in great demand and huge potential for revenue generation. They however face a major threat from the competitors, and not having enough experience in the gaming market and deviating from their core business could be a huge weakness. From the SWOT analysis, we have identified the following issues. Issue number one is Netflix being a new entrant in the gaming market, deviating from their main business and posing a potential risk. Issue number two is identifying the segment of the market and the strategy that they should deploy to gain market share in the mobile game. How attractive the market really is a third issue, and lastly, how they can position themselves in the market against their competitors. An issue identification matrix was deployed to understand the most important and significant issue. From the evaluation, we can see that issue number 2 is the most important one and is the issue that we're going to be addressing. Coming to the solution, to figure out the most ideal segment, we have done a solution tree. Here we have identified various segments of the mobile gaming market that Netflix should target. The breakdown of these segments, as shown above, have been done based on the market selection framework model for each segment of the market. When then evaluated each solution and based on the ranking as shown, came up with 3 possible solutions. Solution 1 is the US market with age group of 18 to 36. Solution 2 is the mobile gamers labeled as dabblers. Solution 3 is targeting the Japanese market with 18 to 36 year old. To figure out the best solution, we have created an evaluation matrix with different evaluation criteria. Considering all the criteria, we came to the conclusion that solution 1 is the ideal solution. And lastly, the action plan. We have divided the action plan into 3 major phases, with phase 1 being the trial and testing, user group testing, releasing the games as a value added service, pushing the product for free to their existing subscribers, and then fit it to our segment 1. Phase 2, influencer marketing, advertising to the larger gaming market, creating Netflix gaming podcasts, and monetizing the games by introducing in-game purchases and in-game advertising. The last phase is keeping the audience engaged. Live streaming, hosting competitive gaming tournaments, and creating gaming communities is a way of doing so. Thank you.